Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand washing machine and it's giving you an SU error code and you're wondering what's going on and what can you do to get rid of it. So if you get an SU, it means that you've got too much of a buildup of suds within the washing machine to operate properly. What you need to do two things really here. You need to get rid of this error and then you need to keep it from coming back. So to get rid of it, what you need to do is just cancel the whatever cycle you're on and then put it in a drain cycle or a rinse cycle to get all of the soapy water drained out of there. And then you can even, after that, you can actually run a cycle, just an empty cold water cycle. Don't put any clothes in there, don't put any detergent in there. Just run a cycle on cold water to just get all that excess detergent washed out of there. That'll get rid of the error. Now we want to keep it from coming back. So, and figure out why did you get this error in the first place. And you got it for one or two reasons probably. Either you're using the wrong type of detergent, like you're not using high efficiency detergent when you're supposed to, or you're just putting too much detergent in. And if you do it every time, it can even build up in there. So we just want to make sure that every time we run our wash, we're using the right amount of detergent and the right kind of detergent, and we should be able to prevent this coming back. But if it ever does come back, we can just rinse it out again and then start over. Anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.